I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to get to a cool place in Monkey's Place. This is the name of the game. You download it. Once you wait a while, you get to get trusted user. It is in this room currently. Can't get in there right now. I don't know. I think you have to be moderator to get there. So yeah. So the first step, number one step to get into this low gravity flashy area. You want to get any key. You want to get any key in the game of your choice. You want to come up here, place the key if it helps, go here, and just fling yourself up. Once you're on top of the Monkey's Place map, see that's the slide that cuts off right there? You want to level up with that, then jump. Okay, now that we have landed there, we need to repeat the process. We need to do this. Okay, once you've done that, there should be an area. I can load that back in, I guess. You have to do it. Oh geez. Okay. You have to do it until land like this. Walk over here, I guess. There, until that loads in. Once you've done that, get your key back. I think you should probably go here and okay, you just need to pull yourself back in. Then once you've pulled yourself back in, guys, it will load in, and it should be like that. You want to repeat this, do key jump, line up with the slide. Oh geez, I might miss it. Oh, I just barely made it. To get low gravity, you have to use key or platforms, whatever you want. And you just get up here. Now this area right here, this is the entrance of trusted user vents. Once you are here, you have low gravity. It's pretty cool. If you guys want to ever, like if you're moving slow like this, just use key and then do that and then just equip it again. By the way, to equip it, so like on Oculus, you need to press the grip button on the right controller, and it will come back to you. Okay. Okay. Well, that is going to be it for the video. Oh crap. Okay. That is going to be it for the video. Guys, like and subscribe, comment any future video ideas that you guys want to see. So yeah. Peace.